Hey, what's up, y'all? Making sure I get this video in a little bit different format using the media room back here at the back of the office as opposed to the front of the office. And I got a box from my guy, David Filar, who created the brand Devonshire during the quarantine this year in 2020. So he took this on as kind of a personal task. And I didn't know this was coming. In the video, I think I'll put it, let me see, right here. I did an interview with David and we had a long discussion and we talked about the clothing line. And then he kind of did a lot of different interviews with people and he was like, yeah, I'm going to get you guys some clothes. And I'm like, no, he's not. You know, everybody kind of says that. And, you know, I just kind of left it alone. And then I just continued to follow David on Twitter as he made these fantastic paintings and stuff like that. And I don't have scissors with me to bust open this box, and he taped this thing pretty good. So I'm going to get this open. I have no idea what's in here. Not at all. All right, so let's see what it is as I bust this open. I don't have a table back here. It's not set up for it. It's set up for photo shoots more than it is for unboxings. So I got my box open here. And you guys are opening with me, obviously, because we haven't seen what's in here before. This is, what is this? It's like little bubbles. Oh, word. All right, thank you, CB. I can't express how much I appreciate you. Thank you for the continuous love and support. Wishing you and yours the greatest of holidays. Devonshire is a cut and sew. Moving that up just so you guys can see it. Devonshire is a cut and sew operation out of Worcester, Massachusetts. I can't say that. I can't even say Worcestershire sauce. Each piece is handmade with a mindset to inspire others, features simple yet elegant design. By receiving this, it means you now own a part of my life. A lot of time, energy, and love went into this. And for that, I thank you. This is dope. All right, so that's the card, and then it's David Filar and it's signed. And down here at the bottom, inside of the box, you guys, right, is a hand-sewn. Man, this fabric is heavy. Just trying to make sure I don't mess something up here. I'm gonna put this down real quick. I don't know what's in this. It feels like a picture of some kind. Block gallery picture frame. What is this? Oh, snap. Wow. Hand painted. Now, this is the second artist certificate, David Filar Studio. All right, I know I'm off. Yo, all right, so just thankful for all your support. Thanks, Chris, and love. Man, these are prints, artist certificate prints. I don't even want to open these joints up, man. Okay, dig this. I'm moving up, and I know you guys can't see me, but you don't care about me. Peep this. Right? I know the original was done for someone in Texas. And this is called Legacy, and it's all of the Jordans on here, and it's got a certificate with it. David Filar, Legacy, 8.5 by 11 print, 3 of 20. So it's 3 of 20. And then this one feels like it's on canvas, yo. It's an Air Jordan 1. Chicago print. And I know y'all are like, move the thing out of the way, Chris. I don't know how to move it out of the way without, all right, there we go. I was able to move that out of the way. And as you guys know, Adam Port I have a big print from Adam Port. And this one is obviously not as big as the print from Adam Port, but equally as equally as valuable. So 3 out of 10 right there on that one. And then this one is 3 out of 20 on this one, and it have the certificate. So I have my provenance for my prints. Now I'm gonna have to go and get these framed. But the reason I'm doing a video, and I'm gonna take this coat off. I know you guys are like, what do we have here? Hand sewn, you guys. I don't even know where to begin. All right, I see it. So Pete, moving this up so you guys can get a look at it. That's the tag on the inside of the label, Devonshire. Hand sewn. This feels like a suede of some type, right? There's some material there at the front, and then it's the back. That feels like a canvas almost. This thing is deceptively heavy. And there goes the Devonshire on the side right there. All right, let me get this marrow coat off. Here we go. Let's get this on and see if it fits. First, let's see if it fits. All right, man, I'm feeling real fresh right now. So we got our vertical video going. You guys get to see the whole outfit. So I'm wearing brand black pants, Devonshire from David Filar. I don't have an IG, so I can't take a picture of some type so you guys can see everything from top to bottom. Stand socks and just a long john shirt, basically, right here. But this is how it looks. It's hand sewn. I really like it, for one, because there's a lot of things I can kind of do with this cut, right? There's a lot that I can do with it. And I'm trying to make sure I got the shoes in here, so this is it. Appreciate you, David. Thank you for hitting me with the apparel with the Devonshire. Basically, almost like a one of one. You know, it's not rare. It's actually really rare that I get something for free. I tend to buy everything because I don't like asking people to send me stuff. But very graciously accept the gift and the artwork. That's it. I'm going to wrap this video up with that. Big shout out to Devonshire. Put the link right here. Well, no, I can't because it's not my website, but in the description. I'm going to put the link down here in the description. That's it. That's enough. You guys don't want to see me model and stuff like that. That's it. Oh, the Nebula. These are Nebula, brand black Nebulas. David works for Vibram, right? So the outsole on these shoes, Vibram. How about that? You're talking about a full circle thing here, man. And that's it. I should pose, do my prison pose, but I'm not. See you guys on the next one. I appreciate you guys for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you want to. If you don't, it's all good. I appreciate all the new subscribers, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm feeling kind of fresh. I was going to say something stupid. That's it. Peace, y'all. Appreciate you, David.